You know what's worse than GST deadlines? The never ending stream of repetitive emails, payment reminders, credit confirmations, nil returns, the whole circus. And just when you think you are done, client wants GSTR to be attached or asks how much is the late fees, and you are back in the email jail. You are not the only one. I have been through the same madness. But here's the good part. I cracked a simple method that lets me send out 80 plus personalized GST emails in under 5 minutes with attachments, tax amounts, and late fee details, all done automatically through one single Google Sheet. Sounds good. Stick around because I am about to show you exactly how to take back your time during GST rush week. Alright, let's be honest. GST deadlines are not stressful because of the actual tax filings. They are stressful because of the extra work we get stuck with. You have got to send the payments to track, 2B, 2A sheets to share, late fees to calculate, follow-up emails to send. And our team is stuck in this loop, typing out the same email again and again, changing only the numbers and attachments. But this copy paste admin work, it's a complete waste of time. And the worst part, by the time we finished, half the day was gone, energy was drained, and actual filing work got delayed. That's when I decided there's got to be a smarter way. So here is how I completely flipped the script. I made one simple Google sheet. No fancy tech, no complicated formulas, just a clean, easy to use sheet that handles it all. Here is the layout: client name, email ID, month, keyword, tax, IGST, CGST, SGST. You can define it as tax 1, tax 3, tax 2 here. Next is fees for CGST and SGST. These are the late fees. Next is attachment ID. Just paste the Google Drive ID for the 2B Excel. Next is status, and last one is paid or unpaid. So instead of writing 20 emails, you just fill up these rows like a data entry. Payment due, just write it. Nil return, mention it. File to attach, just paste the ID. No templates, no manual calculations. Everything is formatted and ready to shoot out emails without touching Gmail. And the bonus, it keeps everything in one place, so you never forget who got what. Now comes the fun part, sending all these emails in a single click. On this sheet, there is a custom menu called My Script. When you click on it, you get an option called Send Emails. You click it, it just grabs the email ID. Within seconds, you will see email starts firing off. And the script is smart. Whenever the emails are sent, it marks as sent. Here, one important part is Google allows 100 emails per day per account through this script. So that's their rule, not mine. For most of us, 70-80 emails in one go is more than enough. I even keep a backup Google account ready if I need to go over 100. Now, what happens after the emails are sent? Some clients pay immediately, but some always forgets. That's where this setup gets even better. Remember that last column, paid or unpaid? After sending the first round of emails, the status will be updated as a sent. Once you see the payments are done, you just write paid in the paid unpaid column. No more reminders will go to those clients. But for those who haven't paid, mark it as unpaid. And under the same My Scripts, you can select send follow-up emails for later to follow up. It will only send to unpaid clients, saving us hours of boring and awkward reminder calls. And no more forgetting. Every client stays informed until the payment is done. So let's quickly sum this up. You are not stuck writing 20 emails again and again. You are sending 80 plus emails in a single click. You have got a self-updating system to follow up only with clients who need it. If you want, I can share you the exact code and I can help you set up the Google Sheet template. Just drop a comment below saying GST email sheet and I'll share it with you. Also hit that subscribe button if you want more practical tools and automation hacks like this.